Hello friends, welcome back. I'm fiddling because, oh my God, my head explodes at night with ideas. I watch a lot of mixed media videos and I am really digging mixed media with different tissue papers and textures and strings and anything, everything except the kitchen sink. So I ordered some papers from a company called Mulberry Paper and more, and my heart sang when I opened them up. I've got a whole stack of them and I'll introduce you to them as I use them. But this paper, look at that. Is that incredible? Now I've already cut it. It comes in a long piece. I've already cut it and we're going to be fiddling with that. Also, about 6 months ago, I ordered from, what is the name of this company? Artistic Painting Studio. They do a lot on Facebook. I believe they also have a YouTube channel. They make foils, different foils. And here's one, for example, and it's absolutely beautiful. And what you do is you take a brush and you apply, well, I'm pretty sure you can use gel gloss, but they totally recommend this foil adhesive. And you brush it down, and then you have to walk away and wait about 30 minutes for it to get tacky. Not wet, but tacky. And then you take your foil and you put it, I can't remember, I think it's front side up or front side down. I can't remember, it's been 6 months, and you just rub it. I actually use a hard bristle brush and scrub it in there. You'd think, oh my gosh, you'll tear that paper to shreds, but you don't. A heavy duty scrub brush. So that's what I did down here. This has been sitting on my stare at me wall for probably about 6 months. And you can see that I added that down there. And then I put some crackle paste. Do you see the texture in there? And made it crack. And then I rubbed some diluted carbon black by Golden into the cracks and then wiped it off the surface using a baby wipe. So that's where we're at. Simple black canvas, black painted canvas with a little bit of texture. I did add just a little bit of molding paste. So I got these papers in the mail today, and I thought, you know what, let's go ahead and play with them. So what I think I'm going to do, and I'm just kind of working my way through this, is I'm going to apply this here. But I think I would also like a little bit of the copperiness that's in this foil behind it. So I grabbed my gilding wax by Pebeo. So what I think I'm going to do is put some of my gilding wax down, then secure this. And what I'm going to use to secure it is golden satin glazing liquid. I use this for my paper art. Let me show you one that's not done. Still fiddling with some papers. This one is not done, but these are all pieces of tissue paper that I painted. I painted with Fluid Art Co pigments. You can see how transparent this one is. This is actually a watercolor paper, I believe, and it's less transparent. What's nice about the tissue paper is you can see the underpainting. These are just some more papers that I'm considering using, but these I did myself using a jelly press and a paints and some stencils, and I did it on tissue paper and watercolor paper. Then I tore them all up and secured them using the golden glazing liquid. It's new to me, that's why I have to look at it. But let me go ahead and put this back. So I figured I got these cool new papers in the mail. Let's go ahead and fiddle with them. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this because I cut out this area so it's a little bit less horizontal. I'm probably going to come in with some of my golden fluids and the carbon black and make this line a little bit more organic. And then we'll stare at it and decide what we'll do in the middle, if anything. So that's what we're doing here today, guys. We're playing, we're fiddling, and oh my gosh, I'm so grateful that I can do that every now and again. So let's get busy.
don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I searching for